My name is Estelle.
Estelle.
Virgil.
How did you get into that area of puppeteering?
Comment est-ce qu'on devient marionnettiste? Comment vous êtes devenu? We are comedian and we like bricolage. We like fun details.
Okay.
And it's for me ce sont les deux ensemble. It's both together.
And for me, I don't know, I'm player. I love play. I don't have explication. I love play with, when I was kid, I play with puppets, all puppets.
Okay.
But the first game my father gave, it's a castellet with a puppet.
Okay.
Donc it's for me it's a long time.
Wow. And what was it like sharing your experience with other people of making puppets?
Est-ce que vous aimez l'expérience de partager justement cet art de comment on fait les marionnettes ou est-ce que vous préférez plutôt la performance?
I like to. I think that I have besoin. I need performance and
Interaction.
And interaction.
Okay.
Yes, because yes, the two.
It's okay.
Comes together, yeah.
For me, I love part this art, this puppet, because an expression theatrical different. In French, we have a guignol, guignol. With a puppet, you can say all things for the kids, but for
Adults as well.
all the men and women. I love it art. And if I can part for other do the same thing, yeah, I love it.
And puppeteering as a way of communication, do you see it as an excellent way for people to express themselves?
Est-ce que vous pensez que c'est une bonne manière justement de communication, de s'exprimer finalement? Tu peux peut-être justement
Yes,
nous dire
I think that with children, when I take a class with children, a class theatre with children, sometimes the child is timid.
Yeah, the shy.
Shy, and with Muppet, the child is good. The child beginning her story, and it's very good.
It blocks. Even people who are shy, it will open barriers and allow them to express themselves with the puppet when they might not express themselves orally on their own.
Excellent.
En français, on dirait la distanciation.
Yeah, it's like you distance. It's like if you put a distance between you as a person and you as in the puppet.
Okay. Takes the soul of the person and allows them to express themselves.
C'est comme si la marionnette prenait un peu l'âme de la personne et lui permettait justement de s'exprimer un petit peu.
Yes, no, it's not the puppet take a person. It's like a personage in theatre. When you are a puppet, you are a character.
Yeah.
You know? Par rapport au caractère, enfin par rapport au visage, tu vas imaginer justement.
According to the character that the puppet has, then you will give it a soul, you will give it a personality.
You see the
donkey?
The donkey,
yeah.
Is like this personality is, pour moi, on va le mettre un peu, pas timide, mais le gars qui
For
chante,
him, like, you know, you have to make him like being a little clumsy, because of how he looks already, you already give him a kind of character.
After you put a soul on the puppet, I think, yeah, you're right too.
It takes
some of you and
my soul, but is not the good way, but c'est pas le meilleur. Il n'y a pas que ce chemin-là.
Yeah,
il y a un échange dans les deux,
it's an
sens. Voilà.
And the Muppet, when you make a Muppet or you play with Muppet, with a Muppet you exaggeration.
Exaggerate.
Yeah,
Okay.
exaggerate.
A big heels,
It's like a
big
caricature.
nose, and if the Muppet has a big nose, we know that the story with the noise.
Okay.
For example, a Muppet smell a lot of things, and it's your Muppet who do a little your story.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. And the puppet show. What did you expect before you started the class?
Okay, well, when I heard about the puppet show, I thought I would become to learn about soft puppets and those that were made from paper bags. But since coming, it has been quite different.
Okay.
Unexpected, really. I never thought that puppets can be made from materials such as sponge. So it was quite enlightening.
Okay. And with regards to the actual process of making the puppet, was it challenging for you or did you find it easy?
Well, the shaping of the face, that was a bit challenging. But the sewing and so on, I'm accustomed doing that, so that wasn't.
Was it very complicated in terms of you using your creativity to transform?
Not at all.
Okay.
Other experiences from art programs in the summer were put to use.
Okay. Okay, great. After you leave here, do you see you could transfer the skill to other children?
Oh yes, I am an early childhood teacher, so it will definitely be used in my class. And also I go to the BS programs, summer prepared programs, so it will be used there as well.
Okay, so it could be used as a means of storytelling for children.
Oh yes.
Okay.
And they love that aspect.
Thank you very much.
All right.
Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe for more. Like, comment and share. A bientôt.